Hi guys.
Welcome back, PokeFam TCG.
Hey everyone.
How's it going? So we're here today for a short video. What do we got?
We have a Ultra Ball and Darkness Ablaze packs.
So we got 15 Darkness Ablaze packs we're gonna rip into that I found at the dollar store. And then Donovan got a Pokeball today that he wants to open. So let's jump into it. All right, look at that. What kind of Pokeball is that?
I'm an Ultra Ball.
Ultra Ball, huh?
Come on, baby.
All right.
Let's
You want to
hopefully-
open it? Let's
what do
see.
we get?
We'll move these
Pull?
packs.
What kind of packs are you hoping that are in there?
Maybe the person that told us it said there's gonna be evolving skies in here. So
Oh, that there could be a possibility of evolving sky.
evolving skies. Okay, yes, there is.
Evolving
Alright.
Skies.
Yeah,
A
so-
cool little Pikachu.
Which one do you want to start with?
Is that Pikachu?
Start
Let
Lost
me think.
Origin.
Oh yeah. That's
Eevee.
no, that's Eevee.
That's Eevee.
Yeah.
Oh, Eevee. Okay, well, it's Eevee. What do you got there? Lost Origin?
Lost Origin.
Okay, cool.
Oh, we got a Pokeball.
That's a mix of collection right there in the background.
No,
Oh,
wait.
man. White code card.
Alright. Let's see what we got, buddy.
Yeah. Lightning Energy.
Hey.
Ice Can.
Okay.
Cardboard Bink.
Panic
Mask. Seal.
Uh-huh.
Zoro. Snarl.
Machamp.
Machamp. Pikachu. Reverse Hollow. Makuita.
Makuita?
Makuita. And a Polygon Z.
It'd be cool if that was a hollow.
It's alright. And that was Lost Origin?
Lost Origin.
Lost Origins.
Cool. So
Alright.
we're gonna open next.
Okay, so we are gonna open the base set Sword and Shield now.
Cool. I don't think we've ever opened
Not yet
a
on the
base set
channel.
of Sword and
Oh
Shield.
no,
Yeah.
we
Is that
no,
correct?
I have.
Not
Oh,
on the
you have?
channel.
Not
Oh,
yeah, not
yeah,
on the
no,
channel.
on the channel.
No. So hopefully we get a good pull out of this base
Yeah,
set.
because they're our first.
Let's see. See
Okay,
what
I'm
we
gonna
get.
get Pikachu
Fighting
Magic,
Energy.
okay?
Seeking. What?
Pikachu Magic.
Lino. Knee. Rotom Bike.
Okay.
Chewtle. Blipbug. Rhyhorn. Clopus. Goldeen. Reverse Hollow Ponard and non-hollow Machon.
Ugh, not too good.
Alright,
Not
it's
too
alright.
good
Maybe
going on
Evolving
yet.
Skies. That's where
Maybe
we're
Evolving
keeping all the good stuff there.
Maybe a
So,
Come on, let's get some Squirtle magic, okay?
Yeah, it's
see.
a white kid kind of.
is it? Ooh, dang white code.
That's alright. That's alright. We need some good luck in there. It doesn't matter about the color of the code card.
Let's see.
Got Lightning Energy.
Hey.
Rhyhand.
Uh-huh.
Vilgrove. Dream Ball. Flebby.
Carvana.
Carvana.
Dweeble.
Marie.
Moip. Drowsy. Reverse Hollow Scotland. And non-hollow.
Piglet.
But
Ugh.
no good.
Oh, you're
No
talking about
good.
cards too, buddy.
No good pulls out of that
No good
whole Pokeball.
Sorry.
Sorry, buddy. Okay, we're gonna switch seats.
Okay.
Me and Mommy are gonna open Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we can get.
Okay, just hydrate a little bit. What am I?
You gotta watch out. Grab the
go.
back seat. Okay, so
Backseat driver.
we've got what? 15 packs. All I
15
did
packs?
was mix them around a little.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
I got you a stack and me a stack.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So do you want to do a battle or what are you going to do? No?
No, we can open one at a time.
Okay, fine.
Do you want to go first? Do you want me to go first?
Ladies first, right?
Okay, ladies first.
No,
Let's
you
go.
go. Just kidding.
All right, let's see what we can get.
Okay.
I honestly don't know. There's Charizard in here, right?
Oh, I cannot open.
But there is a squirrel.
Oh, I'm having a hard time.
I told you what to do.
I know, but it's because my hands are so
Line it
dry.
up with the Squirtle. You goof. You goof. Pikachu. Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, you go.
I'm about to open a pack since you are having...
Got it. I got it. I figured out the size.
Okay, I'll open one
Okay.
because you're having one heck of a time there with that pack. It is beating you.
Oh, I know.
Oh, okay. Let's see what we got here.
Let's see.
Code card. Bomb.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Let's see what we get. Energy. Brett. Yellowhorn. Lappy.
Lappy.
Weird. Was he laying on a beach?
It looks like that.
Toxel. Dynasty.
Sinisty.
Aurablast.
Uh-huh.
Meltan.
Marini.
Marini. These are pretty cool. Oh, Mimikyu. Is that reverse?
Yeah, it's a reverse
And
hollow.
a Digger Speed non-hollow. But that Mimikyu's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
These are kind of weird. I've never seen... Well, I think this is the one... Oh, wait.
Yeah.
You got one Vivid Voltage there, too. I forgot.
Where?
So,
Oh, I see it.
Apparently, there's one Vivid Voltage
Oh.
mixed into our 15 of Darkness.
Okay. Finally, I opened it a little
You
bit.
got it out top. What was it? Darkness. All demo.
Let's see.
Okay.
That's the.
Oh, I almost grabbed 5.
Oof.
Whoop.
Messed up the whole card trick.
I know. Energy. Cape of Toughness. Simisear. Struggle Gloves. Rukudi. Wishy Washy. Hey, I like that one. Hand Sage.
Forest.
Oh, Tauros. Diglett. Flappy. The
non-hollow?
reverse. No, it's
Or
the reverse. Yeah.
Uh,
And a non-hollow Flygon.
Wheat.
Well, we're gonna have to have
There,
the.
I'll stack them up
tower.
over here.
Thank
They're
you.
all the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you want to save that Vivid Voltage for last.
Yeah. Here, put this with it.
I got them.
Keep it organized over there, buddy.
I got them separate. We'll put this guy up here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Oh, your turn.
Oh, I didn't know we were going back and forth. I thought you
Oh.
were opening. You said ladies first.
Yeah, but you went first.
I just
So-
went because you were struggling for your life with
I
that first pack.
was. I don't know why. I think because I
Alright.
just washed my hands, so they're like feeling weird. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Rose Tower.
Mm-hmm.
Lyron?
Yeah.
An old
Lyron.
PC. An old Mac I used to have. Rowlet. Wishy Washy.
I like that. That name.
Font.
Uh-huh.
Sinisty again.
Phoebus.
Phoebus. Reverse Hollow Ferret.
Mm-hmm.
And a Delcatty.
So it looks
Non-hollow.
like those code cards are there.
Yeah, it does. Looks like those code cards are bad.
Yeah. I don't like it.
Are you doing Vivid?
I'll
Vivid?
do Vivid Voltage. Yeah. Ooh, it's like sticky.
Tower of Squirtle.
Oh, it's got that weird blue on it.
Blue on it?
Yeah.
Squirtle.
Do, 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 do.
Tower of Squirtle. Again.
There you go.
Why did you give him the Squirtle?
Because why not? I figured he could do some fun stuff back there.
He's being crazy with the Squirtle.
I know, but
I like
he's
Pikachu.
entertaining. Okay. Energy. Nuzleaf. Memory Capsule. Girafar. How do you.
Girafarig?
Girafar. That just sounds so weird.
I have no idea.
A
Duskull?
Duskull. Electric. Pinnacle. Right? That's
Yeah.
it.
Mudbray?
Mudbray.
Looks like he fell over.
I know.
Fuchina.
Fuchina.
I like that one.
Reverse Blitzel. And a non-hollow Fortress.
Oh, good shit. What is that? 1, 2, 3,
Not-
4 packs?
This one's Vivid Voltage.
Not a
anything.
lick of anything yet.
Yeah, we're going to get the Tower of Pikachu now.
We better get at least one good pull out of this.
No.
Alright.
That one's-
Oh, good code card.
That's what we
Really?
That's what we thought.
No, well, I don't think they really matter.
Oh,
Sometimes.
there's something shiny in there.
Oh,
Squirtle sitting
I
there.
saw it.
oh, come on.
Well, I didn't show it. Heat
Heat
and energy.
Puppetar.
Puppetar?
I say Puppetar.
I think it's Puppetar.
Fletchinder.
Fletchinder. Shelmet.
Larvitar.
Larvitar. Grimer.
Galarian Darumaka.
Darumaka.
I think.
He's cool looking.
Yeah.
Sentret. Reverse Tauros.
Okay, come on, baby.
Oh,
Pokemon Breeders Nurturing.
Hey, that's
That's
pretty
pretty
cool.
cool.
I like it.
oh yeah, I
It is
know.
very
Phoenix
pretty.
has that.
Yeah?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Phoenix has
Let's
that.
sleeve that bad boy
Alright.
up.
It's
Cute.
Phoenix, his
At least
brother
you got a
has
good one.
it.
A trainer card.
5 packs in.
Oh my god, my eye keeps switching.
Okay.
Is that 5 packs in?
I think so.
So we're on
I
a-
did too.
we're on a
You
roll.
didn't. I thought that was your third one,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're on a roll.
Okay, let's keep it rolling, buddy.
We'll see.
Yeah, not really. So 1 out of 5 is what our luck is.
So far. Let's see if we can get some
Maybe we
Back
can
to
up
back.
that. We'll keep
back to
it.
back,
Keep it
baby.
going.
Power of Pikachu again. Actually, no, both of them come on.
I have got to get these fake nails off. I cannot stand them, to be honest.
Can't open Pokemon cards with fake nails on.
I just don't like them. I got them because I'm like, oh yeah, let's get some nails, but it's been a while. Okay, Energy, Lunatone, Dartrix, Lairon, Link, Marini. Oh, is it on autofocus?
I think. Go ahead.
Okay. Torchic, Starly, Skirumi?
Scaremory.
I don't know. Sorry.
Tyranitar reverse.
Reverse Tyranitar and non-hollow
Volcarona.
Yeah.
Volcarona.
Volcarona looks like a butterfly in its cocoon.
What? What's cooking?
What's cooking?
Butterfly?
What's cooking? Good looking.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Yeah, well,
Sorry.
have the
Sorry.
Okay.
Portal, actually, Pikachu.
Let's see.
My lips are chapped.
Want some chips.
Dang- I know, but the dang wind today. It's so windy all the time where we live. Plus dirt.
Horrible today.
Hi.
Horrible dust storm all
Yeah.
day. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, come on, baby. Come on. Pull something good. Pull something good.
All right.
Give
Energy.
him some energy, Donovan. Some
Spike
Squirtle.
Muth.
Squirtle Blast.
Birdkeeper.
Blast.
Steenie.
Beanie.
Pikachu.
Gothita.
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 Scammery.
Mm-hmm.
Cubchoo.
Oh,
Weird.
what?
What
Ew.
is that, a booger?
That looks like a big loogie right there.
Wimpod. Bunnelby. That'd be cool. In
If
a
that. I was going to
full
say,
art.
oh my god, so cute.
Corvisquire.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, a Centiskorch VMAX.
Oh my god.
Looks like
so cute. I like that. He's pretty badass right there with the eyes like that.
Yeah.
Phoenix has that one too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Nice.
Wait,
What
Nice.
the heck? How come I haven't pulled a good card?
we're gonna have to
I think he
give
did-
the
he must have
energy
weighed
of
these.
Squirtle.
Just kidding.
Energy of Squirtle.
All right, here's that.
Jalapeno.
Okay, come on. Mama needs to get a good one over here. Holy moly. I got diddly squat.
Let's go.
Come on, come on. Give me some of the energy, Donovan. What are you doing? Oh, thanks. Ooh, is that? No, that's two.
Boom, 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 boom.
Horrible shuffle over here.
I
All right,
I see.
energy. Heat energy.
Energy. Scoot over this way because
Sorry.
you have, like,
You know,
there-
you want to
yours
know why?
is because
Do you want to know why? Look, my armrest is right into my ribs.
Okay.
Thank you. Puppetar. Fletchinder.
Rookity.
Rookity.
Mr.
Mr.
Mime.
Mime. Oh, he gives me bad vibes all the time.
All the time.
Electric. Dino.
We get nothing.
Passimian.
No, she's got something.
Reverse Dunsparce.
Oh,
And
Rapirior.
a Rapirior.
Rapirior V.
Yeah.
I told you.
I was hoping for a nice one, but I'll take it. I'll take
Hey.
it. I'm not going to be...
Still going in a sleeve.
Yeah, that's true. It's true. Here you go.
Still going in a sleeve.
It is,
No,
it is.
I'm giving
It's not bad.
you 1,000.
It's better than nothing.
Nothing.
At all.
That is true. It's better than nothing. I was hoping you. So far, you got the really good pull. I mean,
know.
it's a good pull, but I wanted
That's 'cause
something nice and shiny, extra shiny.
Donovan always beats me, so I gotta beat somebody.
Of course, you beat a girl.
That's how it goes.
I get both of on those schools. I get both of y'all the Tales of Squirtle and Pikachu. All Squirtle and Pikachu.
Turn. Do that card.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, energy.
Vanillish? Yeah, because
Vanillish.
it's like a vanilla cone. That's
Vanillish.
pretty cool. I like that.
Vanillish.
I wish that was like a foil.
Clang.
What's his an ultra?
Ursing.
Ursaring. Ursaring?
Ursaring.
Ursaring.
Sentret. Larvesta.
Roberta.
Morlul. Toxel.
Mm-hmm.
Skitty.
Kitty. It's cute. Or she's
Wheelius. Sweet.
So Wheelius. Darkrai.
Darkrai. Hollow.
Mm.
Not too shabby.
Yep, not too
Dog
bad.
guy.
Oh God, I think he's a little tired. Got a soccer game tomorrow, and then we gotta head to Lubbock.
Texas Tech.
Mm-hmm.
That will give you the power of them.
Hey, get your cards.
Oh, sorry. I left them.
You
I left them.
Let's see.
We're going together.
Okay.
Told you into
1, 2, 3.
Pika Squirtle.
Sorry, I have to count them.
Pika Squirtle.
Energy. Hiding energy. Parasect. Toxapex. Bunnelby. Vanilla Light. Oh, this is a different one.
That is a different
Right?
one. Yeah.
Gothita.
Yeah.
Nickit. Shelmet. And
Pupitar.
reverse Pupitar.
Gallus.
And a hollow Gallispot. Yeah.
Gallisopod. I don't know how this
Gallisopod? Gallis?
Gallisopod.
I don't
Here, you
know.
can sleeve that one.
Oh.
I'll take your cards.
Thanks.
I am winning the pack battles.
Oh.
Winning the pack battles, baby.
Dad, y'all know, so I can't give you the power of them.
Oh, hey,
I
buddy.
have got the power, buddy.
Oh, it's up here.
But you don't have the fused power.
The fuse power.
It becomes Pika Squirtle.
Pika Squirtle.
Mom has all the power now.
All right. Come on, baby. Give me some
Okay,
go, let's
let's
go.
see.
energy.
An old PC again.
That's so cool, though.
Gyarados.
Okay.
Dugtrio.
Gothita.
Skarmory?
Skarmory.
Chubchoo. There's a snot boy again. Wimpod. Bunnelby. Like, I think that would totally be cool in a hollow.
I think so too.
Dunsparce, reverse, and a hydrangea. I don't know what that is.
It's Hydrangea.
Hydreigon.
Hydreigon. That's what I would say.
I told you.
What are you doing, bro?
I don't know.
Told you, Dad.
What am I halfway opening with the pack already?
Oh, whatever.
Do it.
We need Mom to have some good.
Mom needs to get a good pull.
Oh.
You can silence it there.
Yeah, sorry. I'll call you back later.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, my phone is always ringing, whether it's a text message or a phone call.
Oh, Mom,
I stay busy. I feel like I never have enough time to do all the things that I do.
Dun 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 dun.
You can go open. You
Ooh.
can go answer it while I open all your packs.
No, thanks. You already opened 3 packs.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, energy. Heat energy.
Pupitar.
Pupitar. Fletchender. Ducklet. Mareep. Paris?
Pyroff?
I said Paris, but Paras? I don't know.
There's no.
Gothita. Hey, did I just get that twice?
No.
Okay. Skarmory?
Melmetal.
Reverse Melmetal.
And
Ah.
a melodic.
Melodic. I like
Cool
that.
looking.
That is pretty cool. Yeah, it's like some kind of
Definitely not
aqua creature.
not too bad.
Yeah.
Yo, Melmetal's a
Let's
good
leave this baby.
It's kind of cool. It's a different.
Oh,
different
how do you
set.
have it? Oh, did you get like an extra one? an extra card?
I told her
set?
there was 15.
Oh, wow. Why do you get an extra one? That's not fair.
I did the legwork.
He got 15, but plus
I picked him
the
up.
vivid voltage, so
I guess.
it's 15.
All right.
Hey.
Oh, my eye is bothering the crap out of me. Energy, Airdos,
Uh-huh.
Familiar Bell. That's a new one.
Rose Tower. Oh, these are all new. Bun
Down
Sweet.
Oh,
Yes.
sweet.
These are all new. We haven't got Snubbull,
Double.
Meltan,
Uh,
Bunnelby. Oh, wait, that's the only one.
Paris.
Mm-hmm.
Reverse
Flush-
Fletchender.
Yeah, we haven't got that one yet.
Ooh, and a Charizard B. But I will
Hey.
take that.
What the
I will
heck?
take that all day.
Okay, I get the last 2 packs. Yeah, I can pull nothing.
Yeah, you can have the last 2 packs. Go
Thank
ahead.
you.
what? You got Charizard?
Charizard B, baby.
That's awesome.
We'll show you.
I
guys.
wish
It's sick.
I would have pulled it
You gotta
though.
love the Charizard cards, though. Sure.
Yeah, he's cool.
For
I'm
sure.
I'll open mine because hopefully yours is a good card in there.
The
So
cat
I'll
is
save
here
for
watching
last. Where's the cat? Oh my god, she's like freaky over there.
staring
Freaky
at you.
looking.
Hey, baby. She's just sitting here.
Ugh.
What are you
That
doing,
kitty does
sweetheart?
not like me.
What are you doing, sweetie?
She's so
I
mean.
can't believe she's just sitting here watching us. She likes Pokemon too, apparently. Got a cat that likes Pokemon. Gracie.
Energy.
Oh man, I think you got something in there.
Really?
I
Get
think.
to it.
Carnivine. Big Parasol. Piers. Larvitar.
Yes.
Gullet. You say Gullet?
I don't know.
Gullet. Beesbus.
Bebus.
Beebus?
Bebus.
Oh, Beebus. Yes. Purloin.
I think Purloin's cute. all
I
the
think so
time.
too. Hippotas. Reverse. Dartrix.
Oh, and a non-hollow Mimikyu.
Yeah. Oh, did you get the hollow?
Yeah. earlier.
Oh yeah, you did. You did. Okay,
Yes,
come
you
on.
did.
Give
like
me
the
some
Mimikyu.
good luck here. Come on, please. Please, please.
Last pack magic. Let's
When
go.
she gets
There
the
you
best
go.
card of it, she gets the
Hey,
best
I'm
card.
I hope she
hoping.
pulls
Come
another
on.
peak or another Charizard.
Why you want 2?
I want the B.
Oh, the VMAX?
VMAX? V-Star. I don't know
V-
which one it is, but
It's a VMAX.
you
Thanks,
guys are
Donovan.
enjoying watching packs, man. Let's smack that subscribe.
Oh no.
Help us grow. We can start doing some giveaways on some some of our promo boxes, all that. But
Energy. Dartrix. Layron. Simipour.
Simipour.
That's a word on. Grimer. Come on. Give me some good. Clink. Ducklet. Come on, baby. Mareep. Getting to the bottom. Paras. Reverse
Parasect.
Parasect.
Oh my goodness. Nothing, babe.
Looks like Dad got it. Dad
Fucking-
finally won a
Ooh,
pack.
That's okay. We've got more stuff to open.
Yeah.
Not on this video, but we do have more.
Ugh.
Dad finally
All right. Well, we can run through what we got here.
Okay.
We've got the Almighty Charizard.
Mm-hmm.
He's so cool.
No, he is cool. I like him.
A Melodic.
Mm-hmm.
Gallespod.
Gallespot.
This is where I got it.
Darkrai. I
Darkrai.
like that.
Okay. Keep those over there. Sorry.
Rhyperior V. Scorch V Max.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
I love it.
He's sweet.
So cute.
Pokemon Breeders Nurturing. I like that card too.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It is cool.
With both trainers on there.
And he's on his shoulder.
The Mimikyu
Reverse.
reverse. Oh, it wasn't a hollow. It was just a reverse. But that's it for today's video.
Thanks, guys, for watching.
Yep. Like, follow, subscribe.
Please.
Throw us a comment. Tell us what you guys want to watch us open.
What do we have
Of course,
that's coming
we'd
up?
have to probably go find it. But
We got the Mimikyu.
So
got
we
some-
have a Shining Fates collection box.
Voltron.
Boltund, a
Yeah.
Pikachu V-Box.
We
We
got,
got some
two,
Mimikyu EX boxes still.
We got 2 of those.
And then we got 2 tins.
Yes. Of Crown Zenith.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
No, they're
So-
not Crown.
Those aren't
Yeah,
correct. No, they're not.
Oh, they're not?
No,
One's
those
a
are just regular.
Tyranitar and the
Tyranitar
other one's
and-
the
I don't know what the
Oh.
other
So it just
Oh, you
starts
guys
with
already
the-
opened the Crown Zenith.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll be back soon.
With-
All right. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.